Hi, welcome to Bar Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on direct and inverse variation. Okay, what is direct variation and inverse variation and their parts? How do these differ from other models? All right, so direct variation that would be y equals kx. It looks linear without the plus b, and it's not. It can be used for other models, but it does not have a plus b. If you have a plus b, it is not direct variation. The idea of direct variation is that your two variables, your input and your output, increase and decrease together. K is your constant of proportionality. It's not your slope, it's a constant of proportionality. And this is really important. It is a constant, it will be a number. So this would be like y equals 6x. The idea of this is these two numbers go up or go down together. Inverse variation is y equals k divided by x. K is still the constant of proportionality. It works, it's the same k, it's the same variable. And the idea of this one, we still have our input, we still have our output, but the idea here is as y goes up, x goes down. As y goes down, x goes up. This is like a teeter-totter. They're inverse of each other. They don't rise and fall together. One goes up, the other goes down. They're inverses. They differ because they only have three numbers involved. They have the input, they have the output, and they have the constant of proportionality. Input, output, constant of proportionality. They don't have any other parts involved with them. They can be more complicated. You can have it where you vary with a square root or a squared. You can have y equals k over x squared. You can inverse with the square of x. You can directly vary with the square root of x. I'm not saying they have to be simple. I guess what I said was a little bit of a misnomer. You can have it with k over x plus 5. If, say, you had an example where you had a party and a few people weren't part of the payment and you wanted to take 5 people out or add extra 5 people in. So there is a little bit of leeway with complicated application problems, but in general, this is your inverse variation. This is your direct variation. K is a constant of proportionality. Don't get it mixed up with slope, which I often hear happening. It is your constant of proportionality. It is the variable K. I have a lot of videos on application problems for these. I have some skill and drill examples. Mostly I have application problems, but this is the basics of the model. Constant of proportionality is K, and do realize this is what the basic formula will look like. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and let me know in comments, questions, if there's any other things I can add to this video if you need follow-up. All right, see you in the next video. Thanks.